All right. Okay, this is our last one we'll work through for our test review. Both these are sort of titrations. Number one is 100% true titration, or A, I should say, and then B is sort of a titration. It's a little bit trickier, but it's not that bad. So it says in part A, how many milliliters of 0.12 molar HCl are needed to completely neutralize 50 milliliters of 0.101 molar. So remember the idea was to take the ofs and multiply them, and then we divide by the one that is not in the of. So I did that right here, 50 milliliters times 0.101 molar over 0.120 molar, and I end up with 42 milliliters. It's very simple. I did not have to convert this um, because since this is moles per liter on top and moles per liter on bottom, it didn't matter. The liters cancel out anyway, and it asks for milliliters in your answer. Okay, part B is a little bit trickier. If you just look at A real fast, if you take a volume, which is a milliliter, and a molarity, and you multiply them, you end up getting moles. All right, and then you divide moles by moles per liter, and moles would cancel out, and you're left with liter, or in this case, milliliters. In part B, it's tricky because it gives you grams, but we can still, we're pretty smart now, we can figure this out. So what I did here, and it might look pretty ugly on your printed paper, but I converted your 0.2 grams to moles by dividing it by the molar mass of NaOH. Then I have moles on top. I'm going to divide by molarity, which is 0.125 moles per liter. I wrote that out specifically instead of just a capital M. When you do this math, you end up getting 0.04. But since you were using liters this time, that is the answer of liters. But the question asks for milliliters, so I converted that to 40 milliliters. Okay, the one on the test is not like this. This one's just good to get you thinking and realizing, hey, when I'm doing this, I'm just taking a mole, and I'm taking advantage of the fact here that my moles at equilibrium, or sorry, at neutral are the same. But it's moles on top, molarity on the bottom in both. All right, I hope that that helps. Good luck on your tests tomorrow. Make sure and study.